Ayan, nanalo ako dun sa unang games. Pero dun sa pangalawa, isang beses lang kasi bubunot kasi marami pong nakapila. So, ayan guys, maraming another palaro. Bring me.
Isang ikot ng takbo doon. Sampol. So, makita lang yung effective.
Sampol yan, sampol. Mag-Chinese garden ka kaya. Ay, luka na to. Sundance. Guys, is Bring Me. Yun pala, may pa-surprise sila kay Coach Jane kasi birthday niya no July 26 ata o July 23.
speech.
Ayan, mag-speech.
Ito ang speech na memories ko po sa Boracay nung nag-gold medal ako sa ano tawag ito, Boracay Platinum Waves. So, nasungkit ko yung gold medal doon sa competition. So, every time nakikita ko to, I remember. At saka, bit-bit ko yung pangalan ng HKC swimming team.
Yay!
So, nakakatasya, kala ko talaga ako dito.
Iiyak na yan! Iiyak
Naalala ko pa ako parang iyak. Ay, pero iyak ka.
Iiyak na yan!
Kanina ko maamin ano hinuhugot ba? Namumula na yung mata niya. Yung lang ko, gustong-gusto na mag-singot. Kayak na, thank you Okay. There's more. Sabi naman! Siyempre! Ano yan? Tapos sa ano? Ayan na yung
Yes!
mo lahat.
Mga message!
So, dapat basahin mo ang content na. Basahin mo!
Mga message! Birthday message!
Okay, from Coach Naomi. To Coach Sixie, Jolly, and Jane. First of all, very happy birthday to you. Wishing you all blessings and give and receive good health and physically, mentally, finding your love that lasts forever. Okay, happy birthday to all amazing people. Thank you for always pushing us to do our best, helping us live out of our goals. And thank you ever truly practice working. Ang ganda ng sapatos. Coach, Jane, happy birthday. You're the best, Coach Chris. Simple but meaningful.
Bakit walang message si Founder?
Ang dami! Coach Jojo! Sana makajowa ka na kapag. Joke lang. Okay. To this day,
Programming yun, programming.
on this day, your birthday as a favorite species team is one of the most memorable ones for the family. Truly, you are one. Ano stay ito ibinta ko? Thank you, guys!
Thank you din, Coach! Yung old shoes ba kanino yun? Old shoes kanino ba yun? Mayroon ka ng new